Oh shit, I'm taking a video now. So we're going on a beach day today, me, Jacqueline, and Caitlin. So we're trying to start our day and we get stopped by a frickin' train. But other than that, it should be a good day. So we finally made it to the beach. We're just sun tanning because you know, sure as hell me and Jacqueline need it. But you know, Caitlin, that caramel. I think we're gonna go for a walk soon, maybe get some ice cream. Jacqueline used to work here, so she knows all the lifeguards. So she's just at the station right now talking to everybody. She literally left us rude. I mean, we had a photo shoot earlier, so hopefully you'll see that on our Instagram soon. But other than that, nice day at the beach. Basically, Jacqueline decided to wear a thong bikini to a family public beach, and her confidence isn't as high. But I'm just saying, yo, if the Lord gave you a fat ass, show it off.
No, you worked for it.
That's true. Freaking Jacqueline was like bones when she was younger, but now she got cake. Just kidding. She got cake. We're just off to get some ice cream to make Jacqueline's cake grow even more. Oh my god, it's a tree! Oh, hello, we found a Maddie, and yes, you're gonna be on the vlog. Hello, how are you? You look very cute. The hairnet is doing things for you. Brings out your eyes. I love it. Yeah, no, we're just here in our bathing suits to, you know, go for a run. Just kidding.
Sexy shit is crazy, right? You remember when we used to be in Lenny's basement and shit? Where we at? Come on.
Me with all the boys in my life, scare them away. So I mean, we lasted like 2 seconds with our first ice creams, and we went to go take photos. Jacqueline's, you can see, Jacqueline dropped.
Right there.
Mine dropped in my hand, but you know, Maddie's lit, so then Maddie made us new ones. Tell me, put your shoes on. I mean, I'm walking fine. Aw, Caitlin. Hey, show me that cake. I want a snack. I'm just kidding, I can't.